Wow, I have a big hyper, right? Well, this is your number one tech go-to guy, your humble JTech Berry. Today I'll be discussing with you on how to create a restore point. What do I mean by system restore point? System restore is a feature in Microsoft Windows that allows you to revert your computer state to that of a previous state. What do I mean by that? Maybe you install something on your window and your Windows suddenly crash. With system restore, you can restore the Windows but without you using an operating system, whereby all your softwares and apps will be definitely intact by the time you create a restore point on it. So I'm going to take you on how to create a restore point. So sit back, fasten your seatbelt and enjoy the ride. Now you move your mouse to the search bar right here and type create restore point. Create a restore point. This is it right here. Create a restore point on control panel. You click on it. So this is your hard disk. Now you make sure that your system protection is on. So my protection is right on here. So then you click on create. So you type the name of the data you want it to be, maybe working perfectly working. You can name it anything you want. So I name my home perfectly working. So I create. Now it's creating a restore point. So my restore point was created successfully. So whenever your system runs down or you notice that okay your Windows crash, so with restore points you should know that you are safe. So thank you. I hope that video has helped you on how you can save your file if your Windows suddenly crashed. So please don't forget to tell a friend and share our link about how JTech Berry have to help you. Thank you. Please like and also subscribe.